AirTouch gives air conditioning installers a unique, convenient offering for their customers. One touch screen and app to control the air conditioning unit and manage zones. The high-resolution AirTouch panel is connected to the smart control module, which controls dampers in the ducted air conditioning installation to regulate airflow, monitors temperatures through a sensor in the touchpad or discrete wireless sensors around the home, and connects the user's home Wi-Fi for control via the AirTouch app. The Smart Control module also controls up to 2 air conditioning units itself by, depending on the make and model, connecting directly to them or by connecting through the gateway board. The standard Smart Control module has enough ports to control the dampers for up to 8 zones. If you're installing a system with more than 8 zones, you can expand this with an optional extension module.